Swasti, and welcome to Creative Conversations, where I have a conversation with creators from New York City. And today we have.
Shraddha.
Hi, Shraddha, it's nice to meet you. And what do you do?
Uh, for now, I'm a strategic designer in New York City. I'm a student here, a grad student at Parsons School of Design.
That's awesome. And what brings you to Parsons and New York City?
So, I studied fashion in India, and Parsons and FIT were like my dream schools. And when I was looking for courses to apply in, I wanted something which is sort of like MBA because I wanted to move towards managing designers. So I found this course really interesting. It's a STEM course here, Strategic Design and Management. Yeah, it's pretty fun.
That's nice. And could you also tell us a little bit more about what you were doing before this in your undergrad?
So as I told you, I studied fashion from NIFT. I started working as a fashion designer in India, but I sort of got bored a bit, like in the first year. So I started moving toward supply chain and production, and then I started enjoying operations way more, solving complicated problems, which is this course all about strategy. Um, yeah, so I think I found my place here in New York City. I never thought I'd like it so much because I'm a nature person. But I mean, still, Central Park is my favorite spot of New York City.
Yeah, even I'm a nature person, and I think living in Jersey helps that way because it's a little more close to the nature. Also, Shraddha did a very interesting internship this summer, and could you please tell us how being a designer, coming from a fashion background, yet working in such an operational role, like how did all of this tie together, and how did you land up here?
Okay, so to give you some context, I work as a operations manager as an intern for Amazon here in Brooklyn. I wouldn't suggest going to Brooklyn for that job, but yeah, it was really fun. I did operations before, but in terms of garments, I had done operations in garments. I did enjoy that a lot. So I knew it was one of my area of interest, but this time I went like all in into like hardcore operations. I wouldn't lie, it was a bit difficult in the beginning because coming from fashion background, all the nomenclatures, and there's so many acronyms they use in Amazon, and the entire work culture is very different from a design perspective that I had seen in India or in general, or the people that I interacted with. So there was a lot to learn. I went in with an open mind, and Amazon, when it comes to teaching you, they're very supportive. So I had a really good team who taught me the entire process. So it was really fun.
Okay, yeah, that's really interesting. And so, for a strategic designer, uh, what do you need in your portfolio to land this job, or what's that one skill set that was really important for you to land here?
Okay, so what they ask for essentially is your problem solving skill. This internship was entirely about solving one complicated problem, and their Amazon is very data driven. So that was one area I struggled with a little because I had brought about some changes in my previous organization, but as a designer, you hardly look at your impact in terms of uh, the money involved or the time involved or the resources involved. So I had to go back to every small change that I made in my previous organization, and I had to break it down in terms of how many people I interacted with, what impact I had in terms of money, time, and people. So that's what you need to keep in mind when you're applying for this particular role. Um, yeah, and then interviews were very difficult. Amazon is very specific about their leadership principles. They have their set of leadership principles that you need to embody. So when you talk about anything, you need to subtly mention those leadership principles in your interviews. So you need to think like deep dive into every action you took ever, and then make them like sort of aligned with their leadership principles.
Okay, I mean, thank you for the like very deep insights. Out of my personal curiosity, because when you're working at a company like Amazon, it's so Amazon driven, like with their company values and data, that you are trained to work there.
Yeah.
So do you think whatever you learned in this past internship is like transferable, or would you say that no, it's like just restricted to working there?
There's like two parts. I would definitely say what I learned was 90% Amazon specific, because I worked at a delivery station. So all the operations that I learned were very specific to Amazon and very specific to delivery station of Amazon. But I think it entirely changed my perspective towards change. Like now I know how to make an actionable plan of something, how to monitor data. If I make a small change, how to record that data, how to implement or scale it. I think that skill would really help me in the future.
Okay, awesome. And enough about Amazon. I want to come back to Parsons. And could you just tell us one thing that you've been really enjoying in Parsons or in New York City over the past year?
Okay, so I think best part about Parsons, it's very close to Washington Square Park. It's like walking distance. So every time I get a chance, I just go there. Somebody's always playing jazz there. Like sometimes there are like two bands. So that's my favorite part. And always go to Takumbi on Tuesdays. We're going there after this video. Yeah.
Absolutely, I would love it. And one last question.
Yes.
So, for someone who is just starting out their career as a designer or in New York City, like you did 1 year ago, what advice would you give to them?
Stay in Jersey City, eat in New York City, have fun in Brooklyn.
Really? Have fun in Brooklyn? Well, but yeah, stay in Jersey City and eat in New York City is great.
Yeah.
But thanks a lot for like being here and spending some time, and thanks for watching this video, guys. If you do have any questions for Shraddha, do drop them down, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.